Need to quickly silence your phone during a meeting or when you are in a rush? With the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can mute incoming calls and alarm just by using a gesture. No need to touch a single button. First, while your phone is unlocked, head into Settings. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Next, tap on Motion and Gestures. In this menu, look for Mute with Gestures and toggle it on. When it's enabled, when there's an incoming call or your alarm goes off, you can mute the call or alarm in two ways: by placing your hand over the screen like this, or by turning your phone face down like this. Given to the function, it's a great feature for when you need quick silence without fumbling for the volume buttons. Whether you are in a meeting, class, or just need a moment of peace, this simple gesture will have you covered. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.